This is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making pasta salad. This recipe is great for the summer and all of the added veggies make it colorful and really yummy. So without further ado, let's get cooking. There are two parts to this recipe. With the pasta and veggies, there is also a dressing that we have to make. For the pasta and veggies, we will need 2 cups of uncooked pasta. You can use whatever shape or size you would like. Half of a bell pepper that is finely chopped. 1 large tomato that is finely chopped. 3/4 cup of olives that are chopped. 3/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. You can also use any other cheese you like. 1/4 cup of cilantro that is chopped. Half of a large cucumber that is chopped. And half an onion that is finely chopped. To make the salad dressing, we will need 5 tablespoons of vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, some salt and pepper as per your taste, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This is optional, but it just adds some more taste, and some chili flakes, which are also optional, but you can add this if you want a little kick of spice. The first thing we will do is boil the pasta. So you will take a large pot of boiling water and add in around 2 to 3 inches of salt, and add in the uncooked pasta. You will give this a mix. And you will let the pasta cook until it is completely soft. You can also put on the lid. While the pasta is boiling, we can start making the dressing. So you'll take a large bowl and add in the vinegar, the olive oil, the lemon juice, some salt and some pepper, the Italian seasoning, the granulated sugar, and the chili flakes. You will whisk all of these together. After the pasta is cooked, it should be soft. Then we will drain the water out of the pasta, and then we will wash it with cold water. Once you have washed the pasta, we will add it into the dressing. And then we will give it a good mix. Make sure to mix from the bottom so that all of the dressing is mixed onto the pasta. Then we will add in all of the remaining ingredients. So add in the onions, the olives, the bell pepper, the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the cheese, and the cilantro. Then you will give this all a good mix. You can give the salad a taste and you can add in some salt or pepper if required. Pasta salad tastes best when it is cooled, so if it is still warm, you might want to put it in your refrigerator for a few minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.